Tired of leads slipping through the cracks and your sales team wasting precious time on manual data entry? Let's bridge the gap. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect HubSpot lead flows directly to Follow Up Boss, ensuring every lead gets the attention it deserves. First, you will need to create a Zapier account, so head over to Zapier.com and create an account or log into an existing account. Once you're logged in, click on the Create Zap button. This will start a new automation workflow. In the trigger section, search for and select HubSpot. This tells Zapier that we want to start this automation when something happens in HubSpot. Choose New Form Submission as the trigger event. This means the Zap will fire every time someone fills out a form in your HubSpot lead flows. Now, connect your HubSpot account to Zapier. You'll be prompted to log into HubSpot and grant Zapier the necessary permissions. Select the specific HubSpot form you want to track. This ensures that only leads from this particular form are sent to Follow Up Boss. Next, it's time to set up the action. Search for and select Follow Up Boss. Choose Create Person as the action event. This will create a new contact in Follow Up Boss whenever a new form is submitted. Connect your Follow Up Boss account to Zapier. You'll need your Follow Up Boss API key, which you can find in your Follow Up Boss account settings. Map the data fields from your HubSpot form to the corresponding fields in Follow Up Boss. This includes fields like first name, last name, email, and phone number. This part is critical to make sure that the information from HubSpot gets into Follow Up Boss correctly. Finally, test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly, and then turn it on. Now, every time someone fills out your HubSpot lead flow form, a new contact will automatically be created in Follow Up Boss, ready for your sales team to engage. Automating your lead capture process from HubSpot to Follow Up Boss not only saves you time and money, but will make sure you never miss the opportunity to convert leads into happy customers.